The following message is transmitted by request of the New York City Police Department and the Office of Emergency Management. At 8:46 a.m., a plane crashed into one of the towers of the World Trade Center in New York City. As of now, the media is trying to figure out how this occurred, though it is assumed that this was unintentional. Anyone in the North Tower must evacuate. Repeating. At 8:46 a.m., a plane crashed into one of the towers of the World Trade Center in New York City. As of now, the media is trying to figure out how this occurred, though it is assumed that this was unintentional. Anyone in the North Tower must evacuate. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. At 9:02 a.m., a plane crashed into the South Tower of the World Trade Center in New York City. At this time, it is assumed that this country is under terrorist attack. Anyone in the World Trade Center must evacuate immediately. You are risking your life if you do not. All citizens of the United States must keep an eye out on any strange activities. The President will be speaking on this situation shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WNYW-TV. We will continue to serve the New York metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, you should now turn to a station that is providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York metropolitan area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. Emergency update. As of 9:37 a.m. Eastern Time, a plane has crashed into the Pentagon in Washington, D.C. It is believed that Al-Qaeda terrorists have hijacked the planes. It is also believed that United Airlines Flight 93 is also hijacked. Stand by for further updates and news.
Two airplanes have crashed into the World Trade Center in an apparent terrorist attack on our country.
Oh my God!
The American people will not be intimidated, nor will we be defeated.
Freedom itself was attacked this morning by a faceless coward.
The entire building has just collapsed.
Our resolve has not been weakened.
We have breaking news this morning from New York City, where a plane has crashed.
Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain.
The American people need to know we're facing a different enemy than we have ever faced. This enemy attacked not just our people, but all freedom-loving people everywhere in the world. The United States of America will use all our resources to conquer this enemy. We will rally the world. We will be patient, we will be focused, and we will be steadfast in our determination.
Actually, I'm speechless. I'm just numb.
Our hearts are with everybody that's involved with the situation. It's just sad.
I just want to ask everybody to pray for all those people that were killed or injured and all those people that were on the planes.
And right now, because this shouldn't be happening here, not in the strongest country in the world.
This battle will take time and resolve, but make no mistake about it, we will win. America is going forward, and as we do so, we must remain keenly aware of the threats to our country. But we will not allow this enemy to win the war by changing our way of life or restricting our freedoms.